Good evening, students. Today the topic we are going to see about human excretory system. About the kidney we are going to see. And kidney, already you know that it is a human excretory organ present in our body. In the last class we have discussed about the one more excretory organ, that is skin, we have seen. So today we are going to see about the kidney. So what do you know about the kidney? You know that we have a pair of kidneys. What is the shape means? It is bean shape. It is reddish brown in color. It lies both the side of the vertebral column of the abdominal cavity. It is placed very safe at the abdominal cavity. And the right side of the kidney, if you see, it will be little bit lower than the left side of the kidney because of the liver. The liver will be occupying little bit more space, so only it will be tilted down. And the length, if you see, that is long, if you see, 11 centimeter, and the width, if you see, 5 centimeter, and the thickness of the kidney, if you see, it is about 3 centimeter. Next, kidney, it is covered by so many layers called fibrous connective tissues, renal capsule, adipose capsule, and fibrous membrane. And the outer layer, which will be dark in nature, which are called as cortex. The inner layer, which will be lighter in region, and it is called as medulla. And both this cortex and medulla, it consists of nephrons. And kidney, it consists of ureter, urinary bladder, and urethra. So ureter is the tube-like structure where the urine will be collected, and urinary bladder is a sac-like empty sac which the urine will be collected in the urinary bladder, and through urethra only the urine will be released. So see here, this is the structure of kidney. You can see here. So right side, left side kidney, and you can see the ureter, the tube-like structure where it will be collected. The urine will be collected. It will be deposited in the urinary bladder. And then when the urinary bladder gets filled, we feel the urination. So through urethra, the urine will be released. Next, if you see the functions of kidney, what is the main function? Means it removes the waste matter from our body in the form of urine. That's the main function. And retain the plasma content like components, retain the plasma constituents like amino acids and glucose. And also it maintains the osmotic pressure in the blood and even in the tissues, and regulate the acids and base balance. It will be maintained by the kidney in our body, that is blood especially. Maintain the fluid and electrolyte balance in our body. So these are all the important functions about the kidney, we can say. Next question part, explain in detail about the structure of kidney. So here only about the structure you are going to explain. In the second question, mention the important function of kidney. Function you are going to write, as well as the diagram with the neat part you are going to represent. Clear, children? Thank you very much.